What is up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video, and today we're gonna be doing ab workout at the crib, at the home. You know what I'm saying? We out here. If you can see, I'm at the crib right now. I'm about to get these abs going. This video helps. You know, you can do your abs at your crib. You're not gonna go nowhere. You're gonna go to the gym. And yeah, it's gonna be easy, but really effective. It's really gonna get you burning right here in your stomach. You're gonna be sore, stuff like that. But yeah, let's get this money real quick. Let's get it. We're gonna be starting off with sit-ups, 30 sit-ups, easy. We're gonna warm up our abs here. You can use a couch, or you don't have to use a couch. You can put your feet under, you don't. It's up to you. Alright, this one is gonna be simple. We're gonna hold a plank position. We're gonna do 1 minute planking. Make sure your back is straight. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get his money. Put 1 minute on timer. Let's go. Make sure you hang in there. Come on, guys, don't give up. Got 30 seconds. Squeeze that butt. Ah. 10 seconds, come on. Alright. Woo. You can do 1 minute, go for 30 seconds, go for 20 seconds, you know, and then work your way up to 1 minute. We're gonna be doing high knee raises, up and down. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, just pretty much follow what I do. So if you're tired already and you're sweating, go ahead and drink some water. Make sure you stay hydrated because it's really healthy and it's really important. Keep your body going. But we're gonna go ahead and do these high knee races, and it should be easy money from here. Come on, guys, 1 minute. Oh, you guys, 1 minute. I don't know about y'all, but I'm out here dying. If you made it this far to this video, like this video right now. Like it and share it. Subscribe, turn on notifications. If you like this video right now, go ahead and do it. We're gonna do the last one. To be honest with you, I don't even know how this one, I don't even know what this workout called. Legs back and forth. I don't even know the name of this workout. All right, we're gonna do 2 more workouts. This is gonna be one, and then we're gonna do 1 more. We're gonna cut it off, you know what I'm saying? Easy money. We're gonna do this workout. To be honest with you, I don't know the name of this workout. I really don't know what's it called. I just know it's my favorite and it's really effective. It's easy as well. So let's go ahead and show you guys. Let's get to it. We're gonna do 1 minute, like always, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see how many you can do in 1 minute. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ah! Whew. Let's go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 right there. Let's hit 40. Let's hit 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 38. Whew. That one does work. It does work. But it's all gonna pay off. Don't worry about it. You made it this far, guys. Yo, I appreciate it for watching this video. It really means a lot. I'm giving you guys free content. I'm not trying to sell you any food plan. I'm not trying to give you like, hey, how to get abs in like 2-3 days. This ain't no bullshit. This is free content. Only for you. Whoever's watching this, free content. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, do whatever you want. It's your boy Status Smile. I will see you back. I'm out.